Well, the food was really really okay. It was actually great for the Romanian seaside. And
conduc prudent. În 100 de metri. Virează la dreapta pe strada Anton Pan. Apoi virează la dreapta. Virează la dreapta. Apoi virează la dreapta pe strada Anton Pan.
Yeah, it was great. Just let me go in front and see just a bit this view. Now I understand why a piece of land right here costs hundreds of thousands of euros. And yeah, the food is good, trust me. And also the atmosphere there is really chill. It was quiet. Let's say the music was decent, so it wasn't disturbing. And the view really exquisite. But yeah, the place is called Yoko with Y, not Apollo. The Apollo place is just a bit further down. And since I saw there were many more people at Yoko, so you see this is Apollo. There are two places, and this is Yoko. I went there, but yeah, I will test them both. I have time. It was okay. It cost me for a soup and the second dish a steak, pork steak with just a bit of French fries and some garnish there. It was about 78 lei, so that's, let's say, 17 euros, somewhere like that. But yeah, it's up so far. I'm really pleased with everything here. I could park my car also right in front of the place, and everything was all good. Just look here how big is this this hotel, or whatever it will be here. So they have really put a lot of funds here. see all the people there bathing in this really salty water of the lake. It's really a health gift that we can do to ourselves. Me, unfortunately, I even forgot when it was the last time I bathed there with mud. My grandfather was still alive, and I think it was with him last time. It was during college. Crossing the train line, the tracks, and now we're in basically Eforie Nord.
În 300 de metri, virează la dreapta.
But at least they repaired the streets. Last year here it was really a building site. I even had the misfortune to make a flat tire due to all the nails and screws that were sharpened and thrown on the ground. But it was all good. I managed to make that flat tire really fast here in Eforie Nord, and also thanks to my foot air pump. Otherwise I would have not been able to move the car. I mean, it would have been a mess.
Continuă tot înainte.
This right here, guys, is the section of beach between Eforie Nord and Eforie Sud. They say that here is the best air that you can get from the seaside, especially in the morning, right on this part, because here the sea meets the salty lake. And for me, here are a lot of memories on this road. And you can see there are cars, one near another, buildings. You can barely see the beach. and the lake, of course, with that radio antenna. And now we're entering Eforie South or Eforie Sud. Let's see if I will be able to enter. Perfect.
Efectuează o întoarcere U. Apoi virează la
And the
stânga.
hotel should be just in front.
Efectuează o întoarcere U pe strada Dr. Crimescu. Apoi virează la stânga pe drumul național 39, Bulevardul Republicii. Virează la dreapta pe strada Carmen Silva.
But I will take you first through the
În 100 de metri.
resort.
Virează la dreapta pe strada Dezrobil.
Okay, so this is the hotel right here. I will see where I will be able to park the car. But here it is. The sea is right here. It's really amazing. Let's see if I can pass this guy.
În 1,3 km. Virează la dreapta pe strada Mihai Eminescu.
But of course, this is the case now in the weekend when the weekdays come. It will be let's say just a bit more deserted, but still there are really a lot of people right here. And in front there we have the casino. Right here where you can eat, but yeah.
În 300 de metri. Virează la dreapta.
I would rather not. Unfortunately, the experiences from the past just left a bad taste in my mouth. Literally. And I decided to look for a better alternative.
Virează la dreapta pe strada Mihai Eminescu. În 400 de metri. Virează la stânga pe strada Horea.
That's quite a crater. Here is the church.
În 400 de metri. Virează la dreapta pe drumul național 39, Bulevardul Republicii.
The old church of of Eforie Sud.
În 300 de metri. Virează la dreapta.
And soon I will reach a really delicious shop where you can buy really like very good croissant and slices of pizza. I mean, they are very, very good. Just to have something for tonight.
Virează la dreapta pe drumul național 39, Bulevardul Republicii.
I will just park it here for a short bit. You can see people come and buy bread, and they are really, really great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are. May you find your earthly paradise right in the country that you live in. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.